Imagine extracting pure water from a salty solution or separating ethanol from water for a laboratory experiment. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's simple distillation, and it's all about using science to do the impossible. Simple distillation is a separation technique used to separate miscible liquids. Miscible liquids are liquids that mix together, for instance, water and alcohol. This method is especially effective for liquid mixtures with a wide difference in boiling points, like water and ethanol. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, while ethanol boils at 78 degrees, perfect for separation using simple distillation. In simple distillation, the choice of apparatus is essential. The setup typically includes a distillation flask, a mixture for separation, a thermometer, a condenser, and a collecting or receiving flask. The distillation flask serves as the container for the liquid mixture undergoing separation. A thermometer is used to monitor the temperature of the vapor escaping from the distillation flask. The condenser plays a vital role in the process by converting the vapor into a liquid, known as the distillate. The collecting flask receives the distillate for further use or analysis. The boiling stones are added to the distillation flask to ensure a smooth heating process and prevent superheating and bumping. The actual distillation process involves heating the mixture, causing the liquid with the lower boiling point to evaporate. The vapor is then cooled by the condenser, turning it back into a liquid form that is collected in the receiving flask. Meanwhile, the liquid with the higher boiling point remains in the distillation flask. The temperature readings from the thermometer provide valuable insights into the composition of the evaporating liquid, aiding in the identification of the substances involved in the mixture. It's important to note that efficient cooling is maintained by allowing water to enter from the bottom of the condenser. For optimal results, understanding the boiling points of the components in the mixture is key. The wider the difference in boiling points, the more effective simple distillation becomes as a separation technique. This method is widely applicable in various industries, including chemistry, pharmaceuticals, and beverage production. To recap, simple distillation is a separation technique used to separate miscible liquids with a wide difference in boiling point. When the mixture is heated, a liquid with a lower boiling point evaporates from the flask. It is then converted into a liquid by the condenser and received by the collecting flask. And there you have it. Simple distillation, a technique rooted in ancient science but vital to modern industries. Now that you know how to separate liquids like a pro, stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into fractional distillation, perfect for mixtures with closer boiling points.